Move over Meta Quest 3 and Apple Vision Pro, because now Samsung is stepping into the mixed reality spotlight with the Galaxy XR. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. The Galaxy XR isn't just about looks, it packs serious tech that could shake up the MR game. First off, the display is a showstopper. With a micro OLED panel boasting 27 million pixels, the Galaxy XR outshines the Vision Pro's 23 million. Its 109-degree horizontal and 100-degree vertical field of view gives you cinematic visuals that'll put you into virtual worlds, while the refresh rate sits at 90Hz, which is slightly lower than Apple's 120Hz, but enough to avoid VR nausea. Under the hood, Samsung has fitted the Snapdragon XR2 Plus Gen 2 chipset. It's 20% faster CPU and 15% faster GPU power over previous XR2 models for demanding AR and VR tasks. Combine it with a flood of cameras and sensors like 2 pass-through lenses, 6 world-facing cameras, 4 eye-tracking cams, a depth sensor, and 5 IMUs, and you've got a headset that maps the world around you with precision. And how can we forget AI? Google's Gemini will understand natural language, interpret visual data, and even offers real-time gaming coaching. Just ask your headset questions about your environment, or let the game play and let it do the rest. Samsung also pulled out Android XR, which brings apps like Google Maps, Photos, and Circle to Search into mixed reality. Users can explore 3D terrains, capture spatial photos, interact with Google's ecosystem in a whole new way. And yes, you can swap the battery to keep yourself powered for up to 2.45 hours of continuous use. The Galaxy XR combines style, power, and AI smarts to make your experience immersive, practical, and surprisingly easy. Are you planning to get one for yourself? Let us know in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.